let's go to the park, let's go to the movies, let's go wherever. It's your presence that soothes me. I wanna spend my time with you, stand in line with you, get refined and dine with you, take you to places we never seen, ride bicycles and charter limousines, go on helicopter, sailboats, sit under stars. It really doesn't matter, wanna be where you are. Gonna make someone happy, and that's for sure. For once in my life, I'm certain love's pure. It's easy to ignore the things we don't wanna see, cause it's being in love that sets us all free. So we hide our flaws and cover our mistakes, but what a huge deception those cover-ups make. Then we look in the mirror to see what's wrong. That's usually the beginning of them sad love songs. I guess it's best if I let you go. It's the hardest thing to do, but there's the dough. I think you will find that love that you've been missing. It's a big ocean out there, so happy fishing. Don't get me wrong, I feel I've been hit by a truck, but I know if I let you go, it's a true sign of love. And what I'ma do, try to hold on to it ain't this the end of the road, and forgive me, I'm no saint. You was my first and my only love, and those that came before you were nothing but scrubs. No hateration and damn, but you knew how to do it. And not just sensation though, your movement is fluid. You came on the scene with a dream in your mind, and that's the type of thing you don't find all the time. And most of them be dimes, but nothing defines. You shine like a spirit that brightens up the line. Caught in this rapture, we found bliss. Love shouldn't tax ya. It's like this, from moment to moment. Hey yo, it's nothing but the golden, embracing and holding. Look at me, yo, I'm showing you the way that angels play. What can I say? It's the mere fact that God placed us here today. So I give it all up to these times, all the latitude, relishing the joy with nothing but gratitude. I know you find it hard to trust another, but I'ma tell you right here, I'm not that type of brother. Never been at cross purpose, never been at odds. I'm forever trying to further this like it's a job, and I'm shooting for the CEO. Yeah, the big banks, that would be your heart, and this case, and as you can see, obviously I'ma never slack. Just let me inside, and I forever got your back. I know my words are losing weight around here. This is not a curveball, but I can't wait around here till the fairy godmother comes and blows the cover. I'ma burn rubber, maybe establish a deeper lover. What's my choice? I'm losing my voice, feeling open and toy. Can't talk to my boys, cause they say the same thing. Kill all that noise. Is it me and you right, or just one of your ploys? You contemplate the best of worst. You caught up in the love's thirst. You thinking, how can I live without this other person cursing the day that you met, the way that you fret when they leave the house before they put their lips on your mouth. It's like a passion, they rationing it. Where's the love? You're looking at him or her like this is enough, but you still kinda stuck, settling like $2 Chuck till it becomes too much. Then you really gotta touch matters of the heart and shatter all you start. Love going in a spark, it'll leave you in the dark. Things all bright and sunny 1 minute, then next thing you know where you knee deep in it. Wonder what happened, sitting there rapping to yourself, thinking at least I got my health. Losing weight and notches on your belt, personal hell, until you meet another girl to join you in your cell. The things that brought us together tore us apart. Love takes effort, we was cool from the start. You had your faults and of course I had mine. Was thinking we would figure it out over time, some adjustments here and a compromise there. But things done changed, you pretend you don't care, as if that works. Why you acting like a jerk? It's not the first time, so what? You got hurt. I got pains in my brain and pains in my heart, trying to think about it like, where did it all start? Was it a past relationship? Did I play that part? Was I a victimizer? Smashed the flame on the spark? Cause I've hurt a few people and a few hurt me, but I gotta be honest or the curse won't leave. So I'm calling up my lovers trying to get a reprieve, but I realize the greatest love starts with me. I guess when you guard your heart, no love comes in. That's when you start to harden and the trouble begins. Your chest hurts and your mind somersault. Everybody else is wrong and it's never your fault. And you look inside the mirror and you see your eyes. It used to be overflowing, now the stream run dry. Sadness overwhelmed, too mad to cry. That's when you need to open up and let your soul fly. This is just the beginning of what we call a love supreme. See everything you wanted, girl, everything you dream, and nothing's what it seems. It's more than you imagine. Get used to all this good love that we be having. No grabbing at straws, no stabbing at flaws for a second. Put the whole world on pause. It's better than laws, if ever inspires all. It's you and me, girl, come on, let's have a ball. The most exalted love you could have imagined. You looking like a #1 at a beauty pageant. It's almost sad when things so on point, they got me bragging. Couldn't have done it better with central casting. Not to mention everlasting, never out of fashion. Just us and all this passion, I'm loving it. From up above we get the real. Check it, no time to fight what you feel.